Are you afraid of needles? Are you afraid of piercing your ears? Well, I got you.
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today I'm going to teach you how to make 4 different kinds of earrings. Of course, there's variations to this, but here's one of them. Cute. These are fake. So this will be design 1, design 2, the big hoops. The bigger the hoop, the bigger the hole.
A standard hoop earring that can be placed anywhere on your ear.
So that's all the designs, and let's go!
Cutting pliers and bending pliers, wire, a round object the size you want your hoop to be, a bigger one for the bigger hoop. Some beads needed for the prism. I have them in this color and this size. I have these pearlescent one as well. A needle, a hot glue gun, a surface where you work on the hot glue gun. I use a sheet of paper, and that's all you need. I got some beads, and these are the colors which I thought would suit well with the earrings. These were the OG lollipop ones I used. So yes, let's get started. Cut out a piece of wire and then wrap it around the object in which the hoop size would be. Once wrapped, just remove it and cut out the gap. The gap will be the size of your ears, so yeah, looks about yay big. Repeat it again and there you have the basic shape. Whoopee! Okay, so for the bigger hoop, just wrap around the bigger bottle. Common sense. And there you have your hoop. Snap, snap. Chung, chung, chung. Moving on to the prisms, take a couple of these straw-like beads and thread through a needle as you will need it. Then take some tape and stick it to the back so that you don't have to tie a knot but the beads won't fall through. So then thread 3 beads like so and go through the first one to create a triangle. Once that's done, add 2 more and thread it through the middle to create this kind of diamond shape. Lastly, go to the tip of the diamond shape and put 1 more bead and then connect it to the top of it to create a prism shape. Then tie a knot with the taped up thread and you have your prism. After that, tie it onto the hooked little earring. Now you have your earring. Cut off the excess thread and it's basically done. Just repeat it twice and you'll have your perfect pair. Turn on your hot glue gun and wait for it to heat up. Then you want to hot glue the 2 pointy parts of the earring, as it creates friction between the ear and the earring so it won't slide off as easily, and it also covers out the pointy part so it won't scratch your ear when you wear them. Then I just repeated the steps for all of the earring pieces. To make the other thing, you just need to put the thread and needle through the pendant and then hot glue the butt of it. I lost some footage, so I'm just gonna voice over this underwater background. Basically, you just add the bead to the needle and then tie it together with the earring, and that is basically it.
Ta-da! Ta-da! Chun chun! When I say they're sturdy, I mean they are sturdy, like they don't fall and they don't hurt.
To prove my point, they don't fall, they are sturdy and beautiful. But seriously, here's the montage.
So there you have it. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. I mean, like, I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah. Ashley